Hello Dolly friends and welcome to my channel. At Target a couple of days ago, I got the new Disney I Love You Forever, inspired by Daisy. Now this is, they call these the budget versions, so come with no second outfit, but does come with some accessories. We'll look at those in a minute. But first, let's take a look at the budget version of the Disney I Love You Forever. I just got I Love Daisy, are inspired by Daisy Duck. She's really cute. So she's got just a nice, like a, not sure how it's, but a very kind of a russet brown. Not quite caramel, it's just now brown, but it's got some lighter color to it. She's got little, she's got brown eyebrows, and she's got hazel eyes. Pink lips. Then she got cascading bows on her earrings. And she's got this, I love this kind of violet knitted little top, little sweater, kind of cropped. Got the daisies on it, and there's a Daisy Duck. Pattern goes all around to the back, and she's got this little white kind of a tiered ruffly kind of skirt, and it's kind of got just a little little daisy print on there. Got a kind of a bluish gray kind of color, and then she got a lot of these her little high tops, like little Converse. Got a little donut with a bow, and it says Daisy on it. That's really cute. They got a white sole there at the bottom of them, has bows. Got the Illy logo on the bottom. They do. Got the little Illy tag on the top. Topless on the back. Just Velcro on the top. Little skirt, just elastic. Really cute. She got the same articulation as the regular, or the deluxe version, or regular version, you want to call them. These at the shoulder, at the wrist, the elbow, at the wrist, at the hip, at the knee. Yeah, there's ankle. Remember, there's ankle. Ankle articulation. It up. Really pretty. Really cute. That's her. Little Daisy. Then you show the box. There's a little graphic of Daisy. And here's it's all about those Daisy Duck details. Here are the others but from where Disney's Bar dolls. So in the basic collection here, they have I Love Mickey Mouse and I Love Belle. Those are the other two they had. Then they got new, the regular version. Oh, this is the Jack Pacific ones. I think they're Stitch and yeah, I can't remember what in the regular, but they got some new of those out. So let's get out her little accessories here. So let me get all my. So Target, I just got in a bunch of, when I went, just think about Toy Brand had out new stuff. The Disney I Love You, there's new Rainbow High, there's new the Barbie Besties, or Dream Besties, new Brights, the Slumber Party Brights, and I'm trying to think if I'm missing. I think yeah, but all those Mattel, MGA, Disney, or Jack Pacific, and Disney. No, there's not. The Disney store, there's not any new of those out. I think those are fairly new. But anyway, here's our little pink sunglasses. Got a little bow at the corner. Those are really cute. Put those on her. See how they look. Oh, those are real cute. I like those. Okay. So if you're looking for any dolly stuff, Target is. It's really fully stocked. They just are getting. I don't know if they started about this time getting stuff in. But I don't know when I've seen them have that much inventory all at once. But anyway, so there's our little purple Mickey Mouse ring. Now this, okay, they did, see, this doesn't have, oh, I like this. Now the glitter is inside. The others, the glitter just, falls off. So that's neat. Okay. So this is August 5th that I'm doing this, so yeah, the toy company, I'm really starting to start to see stuff. Well, we already have it at Target, but they should start. Walmart is starting to. But anyway, there's her little drink. Just like a little Stanley Cup, or that's what they're called. And it's got a little straw. There's Daisy on it. Got a little Daisy on it. That is cute. And this little teal color matches her earrings. of the little bag. Does it open? Yeah, it does kind of open a little bit. It's got a little daisy face on the front of it. Got a little, like a braided handle, or part of it's braided. That is cute there at the back of it. That's cute. So she got her little daisy bag. That little purse. And then look at this little, like little shopping bag. It says Goody Goody Flower Shop. Got Daisy on it. Got little Mickey ears right there. Little Daisy flower down in the corner. Same on the other side. That's sort of like a little, you know, those little fancy, not sure what's it. I think it will open up, but I don't want to, yeah. Don't want to mess with it and carry it, but I think you could. It's got some glue, so be careful. But yeah, this is made out of some kind of paper. With a little cord handle, or whatever you call it. I don't know what you call that. Not cord, but like a little crafting. Maybe it's like a little craft, made out of craft stuff, I'm thinking. They're really cute, so I thought I'd put that she can have her purse and her little, she's been shopping. The little flower shop. That's cute. And I believe that is everything. Yep. So now the hair is where I made the quality just a smidge lacking. Doesn't quite feel as nice as the regular Jazz Pacific Italy dolls. But it's not bad, it's just, I think, a different hair type. Still pretty, still shiny. It's just not quite as soft, not quite. But anyway, there you go. This is my little opening of the Disney Italy Daisy, or I Love Daisy doll, or inspired by Daisy from Jazz Pacific. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, notification bell, and we'll see you next time. And bye bye.